It's a 9 to 12 vocal up-tempo in the Broadway diva division. Please help me welcome Don't Rain on My Parade.